Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I have the HUAWEI Y6 2019 edition. Water drop notch, only £129, so really affordable smartphone. It has the Helio A22 quad-core processor. So it is a budget device. You're not going to get octa-core. You're going to get 32 gigabytes of storage, 2 gigs of RAM, the quad-core processor, a 720p display, and HUAWEI aren't a bad brand. They do make some decent phones. Now, look at the back of this. This is the amber brown color. It's like a it's a Faux leather effect, or it is Faux leather. So it's not real leather. Let's just peel this off. And that looks super smart. That feels really nice as well. So you're not going to get fingerprints on it, really. It's not. It won't be a fingerprint magnet. Let's have a look. You can just see the camera housed nicely there. See the stitching around the edges? It looks pretty cool. You've got a 13 megapixel rear camera, flashlight. It's a £130 phone, and the quality seems very, very good. Let's have a look. USB Type-C, which you'd expect on a budget device. 2 speaker grills, but one will be active, one's a dummy. On the side, SIM tray. Along the top, 3.5mm socket. A cutout there for microphone, and on the side, volume rocker up and down and power. Pretty simple. So it's okay. It's a metal frame. Seems quite solid. It's nice and thin. It's not too thick. Let's turn it on. It's got Android 9, but it will have EMUI 9 over the top. It's a light device as well. 3020 milliamp battery. HUAWEI. So the camera front facing is 8 megapixel and the rear is 13. Let's have a quick look. We get in the box. SIM tray ejector tool. A couple of manuals here as well. A charging block, micro USB cable, and some earphones. Okay, I'm just going to head and set this up. So here we go, guys. I really love the color and the style of the icons that they've got on the Y6. Now, I've just realized something. There is no fingerprint sensor on the smartphone, so nothing on the back. There's nothing on the sides or on the front. So this is just purely face unlock or just a normal pin. So try my face. Okay, yeah, you can start to open. So you get a little notification at the bottom saying unlock once it's detected your face. So I've just changed it to unlock directly instead of having to swipe when it detects a face. So let's try that. Okay, so a couple of seconds. Obviously it's not going to be super fast. Okay, but it needs to be accurate. So obviously I'll keep on testing that. So in terms of applications, you're going to get some of the HUAWEI apps and stuff like that in there. App gallery, high care. Got all your Google apps in there as well. Settings, system, about phone, yeah, EMUI 9, Android 9. And this is a light phone. I think it's about 150 grams including the battery. Just another thing I've noticed since using this. I just unlocked that quite quick, that did, and the angle of my face, that was good. And another thing I just noticed, I normally notice these straight away and peel them off, but it has got a screen protector, but it's very, very thin and sort of subtle. So I'm going to leave that one on here because I can't really tell it's on there, which is great. So it's 720p display is a 6.09 inch display, they say. Water drop notch. Let's take a look at the camera performance. Okay, so this phone is not capable of bokeh effect or portrait mode or anything like that. It's just pure and simple photo, video, beauty, and you get panorama, HDR, and pro settings as well. Take a photo of the box. It doesn't look too bad. It looks a little bit soft in areas. Let's go on to video. You can shoot up to 1080p. You have a 720p and 1080p setting. Let's shoot some video. Okay, so we're on video on the Y6 from Huawei, the 2019 version. There's going to be no stabilization in a budget smartphone like this, but we're looking for video quality and also audio quality. Handles light changes pretty well. Okay, front facing. So let's start with a selfie, a photo. Again, no bokeh effect or portrait mode. It's just simple. Just a simple camera. Go. That doesn't look too bad. My face looks a little bit soft, but the Canon camera looks quite a lot sharper there than my face. Okay, let's try the front facing video. So this is at 1080p as well. You can do 720 or 1080. Here we go. So we started video recording on the front facing camera on the Y6, the Huawei Y6 2019. 1080p. What do you think to the quality, video quality and audio quality, the microphone? Doesn't look too bad. So it's a £129 smartphone. No stabilization. But my skin's looking a little bit soft. Okay guys, so we have 60 frames per second, 8K video on YouTube. Obviously it's only a 720p device, so we've got 720p at 60 frames per second. That's what it's playing back as. Pinch zoom, zoomed in. Nice little display on a £130 smartphone. Water drop notch. Beautiful. Very, very nice. By the sounds of it, the loudspeaker sounds nice and warm. Let's find some audio. So on the Huawei website, they say this has super sound and apparently can have or release an additional 6 dB of sound. Let's have a listen. Definitely a nice bit of low end in there. It does sound very, very good. Yeah, I love that. It's a really nice loudspeaker on this. Really good. Now, another thing I noticed on the website, which is very, very misleading, that Huawei Y6 2019, so it's definitely the right one. It says face unlock and fingerprint sensor. Where on earth is the fingerprint sensor on that phone? There definitely isn't one. It's going to fall. The only thing I can see is a face unlock method. That's it. Okay guys, so I'm going to go away and test this. I'm going to put some games on it, run a few games. It's not going to be a super powerful phone in terms of gaming, but I will try PUBG, obviously. Fortnite will not be compatible. but very impressed for a budget smartphone, an entry level. If this is your first smartphone, this is brilliant. Lovely colour, the Faux leather, lovely stitching around the edge. Camera seems okay. Loudspeaker is very, very good. Display looks excellent as well. That's not bad for £130, is it? Okay, so that was the Y6 2019. Links are in the description below if you want to take a look. Please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.